heard the verdict. The review has been by the applicant, Dato Sri Najib, has been dismissed 4-1, and legally the accused has exhausted all avenues of appeal. It is the hope of the prosecution that this will bring closure to the SRC hearing or the SRC case. This decision by the federal court is also a vindication that the charges against Dato Sri Najib are legally mounted and not politically motivated by the prosecution. And there's always a question, how do we feel the prosecution? I must tell you, there is no joy in a successful prosecution except that the Attorney General's Chambers has been able to ensure that the rule of law has prevailed in this case. The SRC prosecution's biggest message is to politicians or other likely offenders is that this prosecution has shown that no man in this land is above the law. And I want to stress, this successful prosecution must send a chilling message to all would-be offenders that the law will catch up with you and punish the guilty. So that's all I want to say on what the prosecution wishes to say. Is there any question you wish to ask?
Yes, since there's a dissenting judgment, is there room for another review?
Well, I must say there has been legally a review is from a decision of the federal court. There was a decision of the federal court, and from that decision, this review. If you want to review upon a review, then there's no stopping a review upon a review and a review upon a review, and you can send your grandchildren here to take notes. You follow what I'm saying? So legally there is a possibility, but it is very unlikely.
What about your comments on the judgment by the single judge?
No. As lawyers, we accept both the judgments. It is their view. I can't give my view. I'm not a judge. But it is their view and we accept the decision. Yeah.
Sir, could you tell us about your team, the individual role they played, from the High Court to now? Could you tell us how the team strength?
Okay. Of course, you all know that the prosecution we started with 12 prosecutors at the High Court. Then it slowly dwindled. Some of them retired. Some of them left service. So we are now left to 5. I think, as you all would have seen, we have a very good team spirit. We work with each other very closely. Although I'm based in Penang, we are always in communication. And when they come to Penang, they come and see us. We discuss cases. And similarly, I come to the AGC and we meet up very often to be abreast with the development in this case. Yes. Anything else?
What about Dato Sri Najib?
Okay, that is actually something outside our judicial system. I mean, appeal to UN is not provided in our law. Obviously, it's in the international law. One thing I can say for sure, that whatever the decision is not binding on Malaysia, unless Malaysian government wants to accept it, So it is a process. Yeah. Okay? All right? Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.